Assalamualaikum viewers. Today I will show you the metro rail. We are going. There's ready. We are going. Let's go. What view? What a view. There is also the. Let's go quick. Yo, Dad. We are doing a video. Now we will go in the line to have a ticket, and I think that would be a good. Full look. There are a lot of people. Very tired session. So that was me. I was like where to go, but my father has taught me the way. Now see you later after taking a ticket. Look. Okay, so it is the ticket counter. It is the machines that here are some of the and the platform to go. The rules about the metro rail and what is that? Let's go and look, I have my own ticket. Wow, it would be great to use the ticket. Oh, let's use it. Oh, I have used the ticket. Now let's see where I will go. It is a nice view. And, we are going to Agora. No, means Agargaon. Here is the lift, and I would like to go on the escalator. It would be fun. Wow. Okay, so now I am going. Okay, so let's video the rest. Wow, amazing view. My dad is also going with me. A lot of people here. I have seen you. A lot of people. Wow. The Agargaon is, I think, 1 minute. Oh, there is really. There is a lot of people and passengers in the train. You can see. I will also go inside. Oh. You can see it very carefully. The Agargaon station is more 1 minute. We have to wait here. It is the Pallavi station, and here are the rules. Again, please. From here we will go. I think that would be a lot exciting. Oh, let's go. Exit. I don't want to exit, so I am not gonna go that way. Look. So, there are a lot of. Here is no train. What a view by here. Let's see. Gorgeous. Like awesome. Oh, the train is coming. Let's see the train. Oh, you can see the trains. It would be great to go on the train. Let's go on the train. Now we will be able to go on the train. Look, now the door is open. Whoa, nice surface.
দয়া করে দরজা থেকে নিরাপদ দূরত্বে দাঁড়ান। Please stand clear of the doors.
There is a Polo station, and you can see it. There is also the police. So we are going. Yes, we are going. The metro is very fast. You can see as well.
পরের স্টেশন মিরপুর 11।
The
This
next
train is bound for Agargaon. Next station is Mirpur 11.
The next station is. You can see the view of there. There are.
মিরপুর 11। দরজাগুলো বাম দিক থেকে খুলবে। দয়া করে নিরাপদ দূরত্ব বজায় রাখুন।
In a little
Mirpur
while.
11. Doors will open on the left. Please mind
So
the gap.
here is a public. Okay. Okay.